How to remove old version of installed snaps. I'm newbie with Snap usage. I have few apps installed on my system. Something that I notice when run the command dfh, I found mounted different versions of the same snap. My question is why they keep there. The only way I found to remove the old is remove and install again the snap. There's something like prune to maintain my system.
The Snap docs on versions state that the outdated revisions should be automatically removed so that no more than the last 2 revisions are installed. However, I also saw more than 2 versions of my snaps installed. You can list all the revisions with Snap list all to see something like. You can remove individual revisions with. This is safe even for the disabled revisions of core and other dependencies, and Snap remove with an explicit revision is equal to ... even prevents you from removing non-disabled snaps.
Here's a short script which will remove all old versions of snaps. This will only keep the current active version, which should recover you some disk space. The close snaps is there because you may not have restarted an application before you updated. So it's possible you're actually running a revision which is to be removed by the script.
A version of the script from another answer, as a one-liner, without the awk dependency. This likely requires bash or a compatible shell with the construct.
Starting from Snap version 2.34 and later, you can set the maximum number of Snap revisions stored for each package by setting the refresh.retain option. It can only be a number between 2 and 20 and has a default value of 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.